distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Great pleasure to meet you all, and thanks for having me to share the journey in RaSpect. RaSpect is a company that doing the AI for sustainability for built infrastructure, and our mission is aimed at building and maintaining a safer, greener, and smarter city. We believe in 3 R's, which is the safety, serviceability, and sustainability of the built infrastructure to maintain it at a lower cost and higher efficiency. And our values is to share the fun, innovation, and trust, which is the fit. So to start with, I would like to share with you a short video about RaSpect.
Our fast-changing cities. Compact, complex, and unsustainable, yet with manual and legacy management systems. Imagine the game-changing technology for sustainability. We deliver real-time, cost-effective, and predictive solutions.
We empower our built infrastructure for the robust city management. We are here to make our city safer, greener, and smarter.
More than 100 customers. We are RaSpect.
So the problem statement of our company is very obvious, is to solve the problem of inspection of built infrastructure. So you can see that from the video that from time to time when we need to inspect the safety, integrity of the built infrastructure, it takes lots of human efforts. And also the effectiveness is not that high. So what we are providing the solution to 4 major shareholders, which is like the property owners and investors. That is from a high maintenance cost perspective, we put it into an AI way to make it into a machine inspection to protect the investment. The second stakeholder that we are dealing with is the facility managers. From time to time, they don't have like true predictions on the possible failure of the facility that they are managing. What we provide to them is a preventive maintenance and also the temporal comparison to let them to assess the risk for the risk management. That is more about the cost effectiveness. And the third stakeholder that we are dealing with are the registered engineers and surveyors that from time to time is prone to incur like accidents and injuries when they do the operations or work at field. So what we are now doing and helpful to them is like doing the robotic inspection that to help them to do the site work, including like the drone, robotic inspection, and also the IoT thing. That is to help them to better manage the resources. Last but not least is the from the government perspective. We make a more standardization for the integrity check of the asset and also the infrastructure. So what we have been doing is a machine automatic inspection workflow from the data capture to AI analysis to report generation. So the whole flow that includes the machine and AI big data analysis. So we are breaking down into like instead of from a manual human way of inspection, we now put it into a machine way. So you can see from the data capture level, we already increased from 2x faster than it used to be. And also the AI imaging positioning, which is about the localization and also the analysis part. And also we create a digital workbench for the whole workflow to make sure we integrate with the like the developer or the FM company to make sure that they can complete the day-to-day work in a very smooth and efficient way. So it is basically a paradigm shift for the inspection to start with. Our core product to work on that is on the external wall inspection. We have done quite a lot of signature buildings, including the ICC, the Bank of China, Cheung Kong Center, and also like some a couple of different projects overseas, like in New Zealand, Australia, and also in Shenzhen. Recently, we have established a national standard together with a state-owned company in China, in GBA especially. It's about the AI inspection standards. So what we have make that shift work is to from a manual way of perspective, which is like the handheld inspection, and also they involve quite a lot of human efforts into robotic machine inspection. So I'm not going to drill down into details in every single wordings, but it helps the overall workflow in making into multiple times of like much more efficient and effective. As mentioned, we have done different signature projects from Hong Kong to overseas. To name some of few, especially the skyscrapers in Hong Kong and also in overseas. So a very interesting fact about Hong Kong is actually Hong Kong has 1/10 of the skyscrapers in the global, from the global space. So it's actually one of the most prominent city to start with in terms of the skyscraper inspection and maintenance. So we haven't stopped at that. As mentioned, we are working on the AI for sustainability, and that is the rich set of smart city solution that we are now working on. To begin with, we work on the facade inspection, as mentioned, but now we have been working on the visual AI way of inspection on other properties like the elevator, the roof, the tunnel inspection, the pylon tower, and you can see the signboard, which is a city level asset management, and also some of them are like the highway, road analytics, and the heritage inspection. So yeah, thanks. So I would like to share one more video with you to illustrate what's going on about the infrastructure inspection by using RaSpect technology.
現時全港街上有超過10萬個招牌，當中有部分出現日久失修嘅情況。過往亦都發生過冧招牌令途人受傷嘅事件，對公眾構成潛在危險。屋宇署一直都致力解決呢個問題，由我哋同事定期進行巡查。但係由於數量龐大，牽涉眾多人力物力，所以我哋決定運用人工智能技術去協助同事提高呢方面工作嘅效率。簡單嚟講，呢套系統係會用裝咗多部高清數碼相機同埋光學雷達嘅車喺街道上巡查招牌嘅。巡查後所得到嘅數碼資訊就會用人工智能嚟到分析，自動咁識別出有破損特徵嘅招牌。咁隨住分析數據慢慢增加，系統嘅人工智能會自動修正同埋學習，不斷優化系統嘅準程度。系統預計會喺2021年年底就開始試行，試行會分3個階段進行，為期大約1年。呢套系統係會混合咁使用視覺人工智能技術、攝影測量技術同埋激光雷達點雲嘅3維幾何計算，以達至自動識別招牌、捕捉招牌同埋招牌相應嘅缺陷，重建3維場景，估算招牌嘅位置大小，同埋自動遮蓋人臉嘅影像。我哋期望透過呢套系統，可以加快處理街道上嘅破損招牌，咁樣市民就可以更放心使用街道，亦都可以改善街道嘅環境。由於呢套系統係會自動咁樣記低晒我哋巡查時所收集到嘅招牌資訊，咁樣我哋就可以輕鬆掌握更新更準確嘅招牌資料啦。系統亦都會智能化部分嘅文書工作，優化整個監管嘅流程。發展呢套系統亦都可以幫部門累積善用創新科技嚟提升效率嘅寶貴經驗。
Yeah, it's actually about safety and reliability. So the technology that we developed is not just on signboard, but actually we can work on multiple assets in the infrastructure space. So last but not least, there are some of the customers and also the awards that we have been recognized. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sun. May I invite our session moderator, Professor Leung, to host the Q&A session.
Thank you, Harris, for a very
Thank you, Professor.
interesting presentation. Any questions from the floor?
Hi. Very impressive solution, actually. I think you would have thought people have thought about it like a long time ago, but you're the first one, so congratulations. I think my question is more surrounding talent. I guess you guys are based in Hong Kong, I can see, right? So what's your take on talent acquisition, helping you grow? Is there enough people in Hong Kong? Or is the government doing the right thing?
Yeah, thanks for the questions. The people working in the company is not just in Hong Kong right now. So we have a team in India, and also in a small team in China, and also in Netherlands. So I think it's talents shouldn't be limited from the space, right? But also put it into a worldwide landscape. So it's very important for us to recruit top talents in the company for the development.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Somebody raising their hand here? Oh, okay. Please.
I saw that you're using a vehicle to go around streets to do your analysis of buildings.
Right.
Are you also using drones to go higher up the building architecture?
Yeah. That's what we have been doing. So from the aerial inspection, we use drone, which is a machine inspection. We program the flight. Underneath in the street level, we have the vehicle to inspect, and also to do the automatic machine inspection in some sense. We try to integrate with multiple sensors from the LiDAR, visual and thermal, which integrate we inspect from multiple sensing technology, so that we analyze the infrastructure and also asset properties to provide more accurate information for the government and also building owners.
Okay, without further ado, I would like to thank
you, Professor.
Harris again.
Thank you.
And let's go to the next